Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to CIVIL53. In the previous lecture we have learned how to set up our own dimension style. We also added to our template setting. In this lecture we will form our own text style, so let's get started. As we said before, in architectural plans dimensioning is done in two steps. The first step, the outer dimensions of the plot and walls dimension. In the second step, the inner room names and dimensions are denoted with the help of text tool. So let's move on to form our own text style. Let's select our template, click on this small arrow, My Architectural Unit System Fit. To select, left click. Before we start, we need to draw a room. We know that room consists of 4 walls. Right now we are in dimension layers, so click on this small arrow and select wall layer. To select, left click. Now select line command, left click. Specify your first point, so let's say that this is our first point, left click. As we can see that the line is not straight, and this is because of ortho mode is off. So in order to turn on ortho mode, go to stage shape bar and click on this icon, which is ortho mode, left click. Now the ortho mode is on. As we can see now we have a straight line. The shortcut for the ortho mode to turn it on or off is F8. Press F8 on keyboard. Now we turned off the ortho mode. So to turn it on, F8. Now let's give it a length of 9.5 feet. Enter. And move the cursor to the right direction and give it a width of 11 feet 4 inches. Enter. Move the cursor downwards and 9.5 feet. Enter. Now move the cursor towards the end. Leave some space for the door. So left click. To end command, press escape. As we said before, the inner room names and dimensions are denoted with the help of text tool. Before selecting text tool, we need to change the layer from wall to text layer. Left click on this small arrow, and this is our text layers. To select, left click. Now the active layer is text layer. So go to Home tab, Annotation panel, and this is text tool. To select, left click. For now we are using the standard text style, so specify your first corner, left click. Specify your opposite corner, left click. Give it a name, bedroom. Enter. 9.5 feet into 11 feet 4 inches. To close text editor, in the text editor window, click on close text editor, left click. As we can see that the standard text style is not visible, so that is why we will create our own text style. So go to Annotated tab, left click, and here in text panel, click on this small arrow, left click. Click on Manage Text Styles, left click. Since we are going to create a new one, then click on New. Give it a name, Room Text RP. Click OK. Now give it a height of 5 inches. Click on Apply. Click on Close. Now the active text style is Room Text RP. So go to Home tab. Click on Text. Specify your first corner, left click. Specify your second corner or opposite corner, left click. Bedroom. Enter. 9.5 feet into 11 feet 4 inches. So to close text editor, click on close text editor, left click. As we can see, it is visible, not like the standard one. Now double click on the text to bring text editing tool. So double click. So this is our text editing tool. Let's select this and we will justify it to center. Click on center. Here we have the text height. Here the font. If you want to change, you can change it. Left click. You have too many types. You can select whatever you want. And here the color, which is bilayer color. For now, we will just click on close text editor. Left click. Now we will save it to our template. Go to application menu. Left click. Save as. Left click. Drawing template. Left click. So let's select our template. My architectural unit system fit. Save. Yes. Click on OK. So guys, we have set up all the settings which are required before start drawing plans, which are as follows: units, grids, layers, dimension style, and text style. We also add these settings to our template so that we don't have to set it up again and again every time when we start a new project. Now we can start drawing our plan. In next lecture, we will talk about architectural plans. See you next lecture, inshallah. If you did enjoy the video, like, comment, and share.